Welcome to Fixit. Today I will show you how to tell if someone has Snapchat Plus. Let's go. If you're curious about how to tell if someone has Snapchat Plus, I've got you covered. Keep in mind that not everyone who has Plus necessarily upgraded. Some people may be using the free trial, but it's a good way to start figuring out who's using all of Snapchat's latest features. So it's quite simple actually. People who have Snapchat Plus have a little star badge next to their name. So let me show you what it would look like. Let's go ahead and open up the browser. You can see this white star with a black background, so you want to look for people with this badge next to their name. This badge shows that they are using Snapchat Plus. Now if I go over to Snapchat and then to the chat screen next to their name, unfortunately there is no one in my friends that is using Snapchat Plus. As a Snapchat Plus subscriber, you can get exclusive, experimental, and pre-release features. These features enhance and customize your Snapchat experience, enabling you to dive deeper into the parts of the app you use the most. Plus, you can peep cool new features before anyone else. Thanks for choosing Fixit again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.